Okay, this is one of my favorite sections here, section 6, how to earn $1,600 with your first 10 clients. And first, you need to have 10 customers before you can even earn $1,100 with 10 customers. So, the first thing we want you to do is make out a list of literally everyone you know. And before we go into that, most people talk about the old school technique of pulling out a piece of paper. But hey, it's 2010. And the majority of your friends are on Facebook, which is that new planet that everybody talks about. And so what I'm going to do is when you log into Facebook, it's going to pull you to your home page. And when you go to your home page, all you want to do is click on where it says friends. And when you click on friends, click on edit friends. And over here on the left-hand side, it says phone book. And so you click on phone book, and every one of your friends that has their phone number listed, you'll see their phone number here. So, thousands of friends' numbers. So you don't have to pull out a piece of paper. You can just write down or contact these people or print this page off. And you'll have access to all of your friends that are on Facebook. So, which makes it a whole lot easier for you to get in touch with people that you know. And then, after you do that, use this list to make phone calls to your friends and let them know you can offer them a position if they need work. So this is the way for you to get in the door, remember? Let them know that you have access to offer them a full-time or part-time position, and also inform them that you are preparing taxes this year. That's the type of job it is, and they may be interested, as well as email all of your friends several different times to let them know the same information. So don't just call them by phone. Email them as well on several different occasions. They may, look at the email the first time and forget about it, So the second and third and fourth email allows them to see the repetitive nature and the persistence that you may have without necessarily bugging them over the phone. And I'm a firm believer in internet marketing, and believe me and trust me, it works. These methods that we're showing you today can literally make you thousands of dollars. Also, you want to post on Craigslist daily. And the categories that you want to post in are the small biz ads section under services and the skills and trades section under services. And you just post different ads like, I can prepare your taxes and get you back the biggest refund of your life. Need a professional tax preparer? Contact me today. Want to prepare your own taxes? Go to this website, submit your own information, and follow the information. And of course, it'll be your URL. So those are different ways that you can get different clients as well. But definitely the other technique is you want to notify all of your coworkers and family, as well as several different friends and family members several different times each as well, and let them know that you can come to them or collect the majority of their information over the phone. And look at this. Most customers, they absolutely love the fact that, they don't have to leave the comfort of their home, and they can still get their taxes done with you. So a lot of people love the fact that this new age technology and this turnkey system that we have. And this activity alone can literally, with all of the above information there, can have you well over 10 customers. And, some of you may know friends and family members and coworkers or former coworkers that you can go to as well that maybe not be on, you can't access them on the internet. But hey, that's a great aspect as well, to get more clients so you can get the necessary hours in. Remember, you need definitely 11 hours, and definitely make sure you have 10 customers, which will equate to 10 hours. And remember to notify all of your customers that if they refer 5 customers, they have that have a completed tax return, the referring customer will earn a 3-day, 2-night cruise for 2 people. And remember, ports and fees and taxes are not included. But there is a box at the bottom of the online and offline client organizer that request this information for the referral. So make sure that you always get referrals from all of your clients and complete this section. And I'm telling you, the referral business really allows you to really explode your business and have thousands of customers coming to you based on the referrals. And we have scripts below that we're going to go over and kind of talk to you on how that works. But keep a copy of these referrals for yourself, because you're going to immediately call these prospects and with the script that we have below, and notify them that you can prepare their taxes and get them a big refund. So when you call these referrals back, your job is very easy. The script for calling these referrals back, for customers, it goes like this. So These referrals will come from your customers, and this is what it goes. So you call them. Hello, may I speak to John? This is John speaking. Hi, John. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, did I catch you at a good time, John? And John says, yes. You caught me at a great time. Or if he says, no, this is not a good time. Okay, great, John. I'll be brief. Either way, say the same thing. Okay, great. I'll be brief. Look, the reason I'm calling is because one of your good friends, Jane, is having a fantastic day today. She just left our office and said she just got back the biggest refund she's ever received in her life. And she wanted me to call you and tell you that you should probably get your taxes done here with us too as well. And by the way, John, if you do decide to get your taxes done with us and refer a few other friends like she's having me call you, we'll give you a free 3-day, 2-night cruise for 2 people. And John, as a matter of fact, you don't have to come to us. If you have access to the internet, I can walk you through a couple of steps. And if you have an email, I can get a little bit of information from you, and we can prepare your taxes online right now from the comfort of your home. So do you have an email, John? Yes, he gives it to you. Okay, John, have you gotten your W-2s back or your last paycheck stub, or are you self-employed? And he lets you know what he is, and he says yes or no or whatever. Okay, great. Look, I'm just going to collect a little bit of brief information from you and get you a quote along with a nice size refund in as little as 7 to 14 days. And believe it or not, guys, I actually talk like this when I'm calling clients. I mean, I'm a bubbly person, so this is easy for me to do. If this is not your forte or your style, there are definitely other methods that you can do, and literally just drive people to your website to prepare returns, or just let a few friends and family members that you know that you're doing tax returns and tell them to refer you people. But the next thing, John says that sounds good to him. And then he says, well, I knew it would, John. Look, I just need some brief information from you, and I'll be out of your hair and hopefully on a 3-day, 2-night cruise with you shortly. So what I'm doing there is just reiterating with John that we have cruises and that he definitely wants one. So that's an incentive out of this world. Hey, John, do you have access to a fax machine or a scanner? And then what you do at that point is collect the necessary data and have him either scan or email you the information. Or you can even go by John's house. But if John is 300 miles away, just walk him through going through it on your website and tell him the necessary steps. And then what you want to do is repeat this step with every customer that you get that has a prospect. Call their prospects. And this will literally lead you to thousands of customers in no time, which can easily equate to over $50,000 in less than 4 months. So big bank account, here we come. But remember this, this doesn't include the overrides that you receive as an RRO with our company. And so remember, this override thing can absolutely be huge. But let's talk about these 10 customers really briefly here. If you only get 10 hours of work done, which is 10 customers, and you refer, and each of them only get you three customers that they personally refer you, that means that they referred you over 30 customers and you got 10 yourself. That puts you right at about 40 different customers. Well, look at this. You're going to earn $25 per hour for your first 10 customers. And then you're going to bump up to regular standard pay, which is $35 per hour, which is for the next 11 to 20 customers. And that puts you right at $350 plus $250. Now you're up to $600. And then from that point, you bump up in the pay scale. You go to $50 per regular W-2 return, which is over $1,000. So that's right at $1,600. And this is a minimum amount your first paycheck should be. So I want to say congratulations to you. And this is based upon the numbers of doing a regular W-2 return. What if this was all self-employed returns? You're looking at $100 per customer, which is right at about $4,000. So this is absolutely huge. We'll see you in the next training. And congratulations.